Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on your Doogee T20. So first of all, you have to open the settings and next go for apps. Right now select all apps, and right now from the list you can select any application that you want to remove. You can find here also the system settings that you cannot remove. So instead of the uninstall button right here, you can find disable button. You have to remember about that. So when you try to remove most of these applications, as you can see, we cannot, because that's all of these apps are system applications and we cannot remove them. But normally you will find here the uninstall button, so we will be able to tap on it once and then simply remove it from your tablet. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it, and remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.